Hey everybody, I'm back for your final tutorial. What are we doing here? Today we're going to learn how to finish your project. Simply just export it. Turn this whole area into one video file that shows up on your computer in your video folder. So what do? We checked out everything, we like everything, it's perfect. Now we want to go through what's called the export process. Before we go through the export process, notice this yellow and red lines. You might have some of them in your project, or they might be green. The idea is to get them yellow and green, or all green. So it's called rendering. Certain effects need to be rendered before you finish. So simply just press the enter button and watch what happens. Up here I think you're going to get a render alert.
We just got word from Principal Kelly.
So notice that everything is either yellow or green, which means we can proceed with exporting. Okay, so this is my project. What we want to do is we either want to select all the clips. We can kind of lasso, you know, that lasso motion. We can do that, or we can simply just go Control A, and Control A highlights everything. Okay, so now we have everything. So we want to export. You can try doing, if you like keys, you can do a Control M, but for some reason it's not doing it over here. Why isn't it Control M working on my keyboard? It might work on yours, but we can do a File, Export, and there it is. It says Control M, but it's not doing it for some reason. So export, we want to export media, which means all the clips that are audio and video, and we want to export media. So another window pops up, and if it's like the last, if everybody's been exporting, it should be at these settings, match these settings. H.264, high bit rate. If it's not matching, you can click on the drop down menu. It's got all sorts of other options for other things, but we use H.264 video file. And that should match. So you click it and you find it, make sure it goes into this drop down menu. Now, output name. We want to name this final video file. So we click on this and we're going to name it. So you can name it Brain Buffet Melts. Since a lot of other people are doing the same thing, you might want to put somebody's name on it. And then in this window you want to navigate to videos to make sure you're in the video folder. My computer doesn't have class stuff on it, but you're going to see TV1 folder, TV2, TV3, TV4 folder. Put it in the TV1 folder. All your stuff goes in the TV1 folder. So let's pretend this is the TV1 folder. I'm going to go inside of it. I'm going to save it in here. I'm going to name it if I haven't named it yet. I'm going to press save, and now I have my right encoding format, the file I want it to be. I named it. All I got to do is press export now. So this is relatively short. If it's a 2-minute video, it might take 2 minutes. This is a 30-second video. It's going to take 30 seconds. And voila, it's done. How do I check it? Go into your computer, hitting the yellow folder. Go into videos, because hopefully you navigated there. And I remember I put it into capture. And then I can click on it, and I want to make sure that it runs properly. It's got audio and video, so I'm going to click on it.
We just got word from Principal Carroll to evacuate to the school's emergency site.
The newsroom for some more breaking information on the story.
To make sure, because once in a while it doesn't have the right audio or the right video, so you want to quality check it. Otherwise, you're done with this project, and we're ready to view. So that's how you export, H.264. That's the file. And you're done. You finished the whole process. Congratulations.